So as you just saw, Apple just announced brand new iPhones, AirPods Max, Apple Watch Series 10 and more. And I'm currently here at Apple Park and I witnessed the launch and also the announcement for that at Steve Jobs Theatre. So in this video, let's do a quick recap and let me tell you my first-hand experience with all these new gadgets. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, upper bar to everyone watching. Okay, so I'm currently in Cupertino, Apple Park, and behind me is Apple Park Visitor Center. So I just witnessed everything like what I mentioned just now, and let's start by talking about the new iPhone 16. Now the iPhone 16 comes with iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, Pro and also Pro Max as usual. But the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max now comes with different size screen. The Pro is 6.3 inches and the Pro Max is 6.9 inches. Why? Because they have shrunk the bezel and the bezel is now the thinnest bezel that Apple has ever produced in any of their gadgets or products. So what's new with the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus? Now it also comes with action button. Now it was introduced last year for the Pro series, and now even if you buy the non-Pro series, you will also get this action button. Other than that, it's powered by the A18 chip. So they totally jumped 2 generations from A16 to A18. The specs for both the camera lenses are the same as last year, but as you can see, the arrangement has been changed. It's now not sengit anymore, it's now a straight line, okay? And the colors for this iPhone 16 and 16 Plus are aquamarine, teal, pink, white and black. The biggest addition to the iPhone 16 series, no matter it's the 16, 16 Plus, Pro or Pro Max, is this new thing called camera control. Now it's basically on the side of the phone whereby we can reach with our thumb or our index finger depending on the orientation of the iPhone, and with it we can actually activate the camera and take pictures very quickly. We can also quickly access camera settings from there and slide our finger left or right to change the settings. Now like what I mentioned just now, the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus comes with A18 chip, but the Pro version comes with A18 Pro, which is of course definitely better in specs and performance. And with the new color Desert Titanium, it now comes in 4 different titanium variations, including black, white and also natural titanium. But what I really love about the Pro series is the camera features. One of the features that I can show you now is photographic style, and basically in layman term it's like film simulations or presets or LUTs in some cameras nowadays, whereby we can swipe and pick the color and tone that we like for our photos, and we can actually blend them manually by using this pad. So with this pad, we can actually use our finger to swipe around and change the tone and the intensity very easily. Other than that, the Pro series also gets better lenses, okay? Now, the main camera is 48 megapixel as usual. The ultra wide is also 48 megapixels alongside a 12 megapixel 5x optical telephoto lens. For people who shoot videos with the iPhone, you can now shoot 4K 120 frames per second with the Pro series, which is amazing. Now of course, if you've been waiting to change your Apple Watch, now is the time, okay? They just announced Apple Watch Series 10, which comes in 2 types of material, aluminium and also titanium. It is also sleeker, thinner and has a bigger screen. Feature-wise, it comes with temperature sensing, a depth gauge and also faster wireless charging. But if you're looking for the Ultra, well, it is almost improved but not so much, okay? It is still called Apple Watch Ultra 2, which is the same name as last year, but they come in this new color called black titanium. Other than that, the Ultra 2 is probably the same specs as before. Now let's talk about AirPods. The basic AirPods is now called AirPods 4, and it comes in 2 variations, one with active noise cancellation and one without. But both of them are actually powered by the new H2 chip, which is like the canggih one lah, And this H2 chip can actually improve sound quality, unlocking intelligent ways for us to make calls, receive calls, talk to Siri. Like for example, if we receive a call, we can actually nod our head or shake our head to pick up or reject the call. Now, other than the basic AirPods, we also get new AirPods Max, okay? It's a small improvement from the previous generation. Now it comes with 5 new different colors and also a USB Type-C port. And then in the coming months, we will also be able to get Apple Intelligence in our new iPhones. Now, the first feature that I can tell you is we can now type to Siri, whereby we can tap the line at the bottom of the screen and then we can type instead of using our voice. Because just in case we are in like a lecture hall, we are in the library and we can't talk to Siri, we can actually type our queries. And Siri is now smarter because you can continue the conversation without starting a brand new one. Photo editing wise, the cleanup feature is also coming in the upcoming update, whereby we can remove unwanted objects at the background of the photo. Like for example, if I'm standing here and then I want to remove someone behind me, I can just tap on edit, clean up, and it will detect whether the humans behind me can be deleted or not. If yes, we just need to tap and it will be removed instantly. If not, we can also circle or draw above the objects and then the AI will also remove it from the background. Some other smart features including summarization of emails, summarization of notifications, writing tools whereby anywhere we can type something, we can actually use this Apple Intelligence feature to help us write better in different manner or tone, like for example casual, professional and stuff like that. And also if we see a long paragraph of something and if you're very lazy to read it, you can also use this writing tool and press summary and it will summarize everything for you. Okay, so that's basically a recap of everything that Apple announced today. If you want to know more, you can always click on the link below. I will put the link to apple.com and then you can go and read everything lah. Okay, and stay tuned to my Instagram, which is @smashpop, okay, because I have posted a few content and I will continue to post a few more after this. So in case you want to know more about all these new products, for example the new AirPods Max, iPhone 16 and more, just go and check it out lah. Okay, thank you very much and don't forget to follow, okay? If you love gadget videos like this, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!